I am Teddy, the magnificent caterpillar from Indonesia. And I've traveled from afar. As you can see, I'm like dressed in Liberace. You see my wonderful colors. So I'm going to play just a little short piece for you.
Strangers, once I called you sweetheart, now we're strangers. Gee, it breaks my heart.
Welcome, everybody. My name's Mallory, and this is my husband, Stan. We're both trained psychiatrists. Psychologist, Mallory. Psychologist, there's a difference. Oh, hesh. Oh, I just want to set the record straight. We're not like the others. We're not robots. We're not superheroes. We're not talking birds. We're just ordinary people. Stan doesn't have any powers. He doesn't even have the power to wash his own underwear. Oh, of course not. That's what I do for him. Oh, Stan. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for coming.
I love, I don't know when, I don't know how, but I think my true love is flying through the sky.
Am I mistaken? My eyes must be tricking me. Is that an angel? I can't seem to take my eyes off of her.
Oh, he's so handsome.
So beautiful. Wait! Where did that tree came from? Oh!
What do I do?
His armor. Let's see, can you
I
do
can't do CPR.
She doesn't know. Oh, no. She doesn't know how. Jeff, are you here? What do you think?
Give him mouth to mouth.
Mouth to mouth? Oh my God. Let's see if that works.
Okay, I'll try.
Nothing. Wait. What if you steal your wallet?
Yeah, take his wallet.
Oh, I don't have a wallet. Oh.
He doesn't have a wallet. All right, they can't do that. Okay.
I think I know.
Wait, I know.
Bendo! Help!
Did somebody say spell? And now, Bendo sings Spells in the English language.
Absorbent abstention, abstraction, absurd and abundant abuse of abutment, acacia, academy action.
Yeah!
Wait a
Captain Art, are you okay?
I feel like I went back to my childhood. Oh, wait. I don't know my name. Wait, I remember. It's Captain Art.
It sure is.
Hi. What's your name?
I'm Tiana.
I feel like I can't take my eyes off of you.
Neither can I.
I really want to kiss you, but I don't kiss on the first date.
But we already kissed.
Oh, the heck with it!
He's mine! What should I do? Oh, I know what to do. I'll play Dance with Chris. Help! Captain Art,
Someone's in trouble!
You have to go.
I'm already in a relationship, so... no, can't do this! Need help, folks!
Oh no, everyone! Oh, you guys kiss Beth and Tiana? I don't know. Let's see. What do you think, Captain Art?
That's not how I roll!
That's not how he rolls! Run! What happens? You want to run?
I want you, but I'm frozen!
Oh no!
I say neither of them can have it. Come here.
Oh no!
Take it! Oh, I can't take this. I'm out of here.
now! Let her fight when it's 1 and 2!